Hi Jacob. My wife reached out to you guys today to give you some pointers on how you can increase your customers. And what I'm going to do today is go over 3 things that you can do on your website to help increase customers. So these are things that you can do all yourself. You don't need any marketing team to do it for you. We're just here in case you're too busy to take care of it. But first, we want to make sure you know what to do so that you can execute. All right, so the first thing is content. Google is looking for about 1,500 words of content on your website or on your first page to find out how relevant you are to a particular topic. So in that 1,500 words, you want to make sure that you have the appropriate keywords in the content. So what is a keyword? A keyword is something that people are searching for on Google to find your services. So I have smart home installation, Memphis, Tennessee here. I did go through your website already, and I was just trying to see if I could find you guys on one of the places you service. I was not able to find you in Memphis, Tennessee for smart home installation, but I'm sure there are other keywords that you are ranking for. So in order to rank in the map pack here, what you need to do is focus on citations, ratings, and content on your site and ranking your organic site. So what is a citation? A citation is the name of your business, address, and phone number being listed in directories. So a directory is yellow pages, white pages, etc. There are hundreds or thousands of them. You need to continuously add these citations to these directories so that you stay on top of the map pack and continue to outbeat your competition. So I did go to one of your competitors here so we could check out their site and see why they're ranking at the top of Google. So as you can see, it's not a very pretty site. They do have some keywords or some content on here, but definitely beatable, right? There's no reason why you guys cannot take them. So what this is here is a tool called Ahrefs, and what it does is it allows us to look at the details on your page and what's going to your page. So these ratings here are out of 100. You have 5 out of 100 and 3.5 out of 100. And this is due to the low amount of backlinks and keywords that you have on your page. So what is a backlink? A backlink is a link from one website to another. So if someone's got a blog and they write a review about how good you guys did, that will link to your website and show them and get their customers to go to your page and then, eventually be converted to your customers. Well, a blog is going to have so much power compared to, Forbes magazine leaving a link saying you guys are the best smart home installation company in the nation. That will drive a lot more power and a lot more relevance to your website, which will increase your ranking and help get you ranked higher in Google and get you more traffic, of course. So this is your ratings. You guys don't have any backlinks and no referring websites. Your competition is also on that one page has one link and they just started. You guys can take this market. There's no reason for you to not have this market in Memphis, Tennessee. You just need to focus on getting the right keywords in there so that people can find you, and make sure you got the right citation or have a high number of citations and continue to add to your citations. And then the third thing is increasing the number of backlinks you have so that you can compete in the harder or more competitive areas. So Jacob, I hope this covered everything that you needed. I hope you found it informative. If you have any questions, please reach out and let us know. If you could, at a minimum, please give us some feedback and let us know what you thought about the information. If you thought it was useful or helpful in any way, we would really appreciate that. You can call us back at 859-209-3810. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day.